In this video, I will show you how to turn off save password into your Chrome browser. Whether you are using Android phone or iPhone, this allows you to save any website or app password into your Chrome browser for easy access, and it enables you not to forget any website or app password. Each time you want to have access, you can easily get your password out of you. Let me show you how. Open up your Chrome browser. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on your profile icon. Then scroll down right here. Click on Password Manager. Then go ahead and click on your profile icon right here. Click on Manage Password on this device. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and simply click on the setting icon right here. Then go ahead and make sure you turn on this. And you are done. Anytime you visit any website or app and you log in with this your Google account, it's going to automatically save the password on your device. And each time you want to have access to the password or passkey, you can easily do that from your Google Chrome browser right here. Just come down right here and click on Password Manager, and all the password you save is going to be found right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about Google account password manager, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.